Hey guys, Bobby here with Advantage Heating and Air Conditioning. I got a couple things I wanted to talk to you guys about. First thing is maintenance. It's very important for maintenance. It's important for your blower motor. It's important for your household. It's important for your comfort. It's important for your system. And one of the things that gets missed during maintenance is the blower. The blower will collect a lot of dust. Collects dust, collects dirt. Biological growth can possibly start growing on it. I just want to show you an example of what I'm talking about. So down here, I pulled the blower motor out. And if you look down there, that's a blower motor. There's a lot of dust, dirt on the motor itself. What this is going to do is it's going to create a high amp draw. The motor can't breathe. It's going to create more of a load, and pretty soon you're going to burn out your motor. There's a capacitor that sits right in there, and that capacitor acts as like a battery. It helps the motor start and run. Well, if that motor can't breathe, the capacitor is going to go out, motor's going to fail, and you're going to have no heat. It's definitely recommended to get a maintenance. And during that maintenance, if the tech says, hey, your blower wheel needs cleaning, probably needs a cleaning. If you guys have any questions about anything, there's going to be more videos coming. You could contact Advantage Heating at 503-393-5315. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.